and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices rose after 2 consecutive sessions of losses as renewed geopolitical risks bolstered safe haven demand, and investors braced for key US inflation data due on Friday. Wall Street advanced, reclaiming ground lost in Wednesday's sell-off as investors mulled a mixed batch of corporate earnings and mounting geopolitical concerns. All 3 major US stock indexes were higher, with tech strength nudging the Nasdaq ahead of the pack. October is historically one of Bitcoin's best-performing months, but this year, BNB is stealing the show. Meanwhile, BNB, the native token of Binance's BNB chain, has set new all-time highs twice this month.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.